Hello viewers, this video is about how to create disclaimer page for your blogger website. You know that privacy policy, terms and conditions and disclaimer pages are also important and a mandatory page for a website. So let's begin the tutorial. At first I will open my Chrome browser, and in the Chrome search bar I will just type disclaimer generator and then open the first website, which is www.disclaimergenerator.net. and you don't need to worry about the website. I have already included this website link in my video description below. So at first I will type my company name, which is my website name is smarttuber16, which is my company name. Just I will copy this name. You can capitalize the first letter for nice combination. Smarttuber. Your website name. My website name is also the same. I can put in space, and my website URL and just copy this URL and paste it in your website URL section and click on the next button. Then select your country. My country is Bangladesh, and I will put my email address and then click on the generate my disclaimer. Disclaimer page already has been created or generated, and we can use this disclaimer in our website. So at first I will go to my blogger dashboard and click on the page. I have already created a disclaimer page for my website, but for this tutorial I will again create a disclaimer page. I will give a name it test disclaimer, and just download your disclaimer, copy your generated disclaimer to your clipboard, just click on this green button, copy text to clipboard. Already a disclaimer has been copied, and I will just paste it. At first I need to paste this disclaimer in the HTML view. If you directly paste on the compose view, HTML tags which is H1, H2, paragraph text or anchor text will appear in your page. So that's why I have to paste it as an at first HTML view, which is HTML view, and as it is a HTML view, we can see all of the tags the website has been used. So I will just click on the compose view, and now you are clearly seeing that there is no any HTML tag. But if you directly paste on it, I will show it again. If I directly paste on the compose view, HTML tags are showing in my disclaimer page. So I want to avoid this tag because it is not looking good. I want to just show my text document, so I will just paste this disclaimer in the HTML view and then click on the compose view. Then all of the HTML text will be removed. Okay, and then click on the publish button. I can preview my disclaimer page. It's my disclaimer page, and I don't need to publish because I have already created a disclaimer page. So I think this tutorial is really helpful for you. Goodbye.